So, most games today, close that, use the full screen. So, this corner to that corner. So, today, this is how much space we have to work with. I'm sure this is going to be possible. This is the first time ever in Clip Team Fusion I'm zooming in. Let me zoom in more. Alright, that seems good. So, we're just going to make a very small platformer game. But we're going to need to pick a font. I think it's actually, is that all? Is there any? I like this one could work. I mean, it's made for small things, so why not? A very small. Oh, I didn't have enough space. So when I'm done with this, the link to play it will be on itch.io. Alright. Now I should probably actually get somewhere you can play it. So gonna get another string. Small fonts. I like that one. Yeah, 10 should be good. Alright. Doesn't look right. So 12 maybe? Yep, that's good. Lock. Oh, nope. Lock. I feel like that's... Yeah, it needs to finish the P. Lock. Okay, so now I need to add toggle. So this is probably going to be difficult. And my enter key's broken. Great. I'm gonna go fix that and I'll be right back. Okay, I think I fixed it. So, we're just gonna make a toggle. No. I'm gonna go. So now we're gonna make a level select, and I got a pretty good way to make this. So, but first we actually need to make it be able to go there. So, if we go the mouse, just clicks on an object. This. So if we run it now, application, very large screen. Let me open that. Play. Yep, it works. So now we're actually gonna need a way to select levels, and I get a perfect idea. So we're gonna have multiple select screens, and the number keys are going to be how you decide which level you want to play. So this one will have levels 1 to 10. The next one will have levels 11 to 20, etc., etc. So we're just gonna add that on the first one only. I'm gonna lock that. I'm gonna add another string. One to 10. That's all I'll make in this video. Maybe probably not even all of them, but whatever. New frame. This is gonna be level 1. So we need to make it jump there. So I'm pressing the keys. 1. Jump to frame. Level 3. I mean level 1. I feel like I don't really need a quit button because, like, considering that there's literally an X on there all the time, Alright, now we actually need to make a level. So we probably don't think this is enough space, so we're gonna add more. Now, we're gonna add scrolling as soon as I create the character. We'll insert object, active, enter, erase. We're just gonna make it. This is gonna look really simple, but and then to make a platform, we're gonna go here, backdrop. Make sure they're on the same layer, by the way. I'm gonna erase all that. Let him frame. And here, and you just click obstacle or platform. Both of them work. And here you're gonna go movement, platform. But it's actually not gonna work. So if I ran the frame, it's just it's kind of as you can see, it kind of float. So the solution to this is go here, collision, backdrop, movement, stop. So if we're on the frame now, it stops. Okay, because of how small the frame is, we're going to have to slow the character down a bit. So it's not like dashing across the frame in one click. So you're gonna here, I'm gonna get half the speed. So now it should work. Yep, and we should add scrolling as well, so you can actually use the rest of this. I'm gonna go here, always scrolling relative to a character. So if I would go back and clone this a few times so we can have. And we also probably want to make it so when it will fall off. So we're gonna make it so we're gonna look at the Y below 110. So we're gonna go position greater or equal, and reset the current frame. So if we run the application, play, scroll, and it resets. Do that. So now we're just gonna actually make gameplay. So we're just gonna clone this a lot of times, and we're gonna make gameplay out of it. I want to make a stair section because that'd be cool. Then I'm gonna look at really big jump. We're gonna see how much goes. So also I do want to change the controls of this because I don't really like the current ones. So the button 2. I don't know what jumps with button 2. Whatever, we're just gonna have to deal with what we have right now. Maybe this could work. So the issue with this, you can't jump if you're not moving, so I guess we're gonna have to deal with the god-awful default controls. Let's continue making gameplay. So I want them to be 50 regular levels and 50 different levels. So in those different levels, you're automatically gonna not be falling, but you have to avoid the backdrops. That seems cool. So let's see how this plays. And if you full screen it, it does do this. So that's interesting. I'm not gonna worry about it though. So now, how much does it jump? Okay. Okay, that seems so. Yeah. Clone object. Put that there. And I'm just gonna make a lot of these jumps. Now I'm gonna clone a lot of the time, so I'm gonna go 3, 3. Now there's a lot of them. Come on. So I'm just gonna make a bunch of these jumps. Because interesting gameplay is kind of difficult in my opinion. So grab this, take this. Sound is not really what I'm gonna work on right now. Because I don't know. Because I know how to do it, but I don't have music. Maybe if like I get a lot of support, I'll make it like a full game and release it on Steam for cheap. Okay, that's pretty cool. So we also want to make a win condition. We're gonna make that win condition when you reach, let's say 1,900. So we're gonna go here. Position, compare 1900 greater or equal. Jump to frame. Okay, we need a win frame. You win. So then we'll jump to frame. You win. We don't really need layers for this game because you can't really put a background, and it's not obviously a visual game. It's a gimmick game. If you can find a game smaller than this, I'd like you to show me, please, or tell me about it in the comments. So, I want to repeat that staircase section because I really like it. So, copy, paste. Maybe I can do a paste, but it's like, so you have to, I can make 2 of these consecutively. I'm just gonna get rid of this one. Maybe 3 of those consecutively would be good. So, let's see how this plays. And could I potentially have fun? It's so weird in full screen because it cuts off there, but it's kind of cool at the same time. So, how long can you get by just holding? Okay, maybe a little bit further than I expected. You can literally beat the entire. So we need to like break that because that's kind of not great for game design. So we're just gonna add. Okay, this is like the winning area, so I guess it is the first level, so it should be pretty easy. I'm gonna make this a platform. So the difference between obstacles and platforms is that platforms you can walk through if you're on the side, actually, no, I'm just gonna keep that an obstacle. And that's the end. So we're gonna need to end an end thing here. This will not do anything. But we should make like maybe a door. Yeah, that'd be cool. Alright, I'll try my best. I'm not exactly an artist. If you're interested in seeing more of this, please do comment. And I can add more, but it's really expensive to put on Steam, so I can't really afford that, so kind of broke. Yeah, that's good enough. So now if we run, is it jumped? Yep. So let's see how this plays. Yep, 3 of these, and yep. Now I actually need to make a U win. R to go, maybe R to go back. Exclamation mark. Then probably also R to go back. So this is, I can just send them all to this, really, because it's just going to be keyboard. So I'm going to add a secret. So I'm going to add a new one, new frame, level select. You'll see 2. This is going to be like, I'm going to put a different style level. I'll only show you one of each because I don't have much time, but so the keyboard, what's selecting? Level select, sort of one line, yep. So I might add 50 levels, but this will be 51. A secret level with a special gimmick that I'll show you. So only people who watch the video can know. 14. B2. So you have to actually. So only people who really watch the video know how to continue. Alright. Main 51. This is going to be a short one, but it's going to have a special gimmick, which I'll show you. So we need, we're going to get a square from level 1. Copy. Paste. I'm going to make this a short level. So about 500. So this is how big it is. But I want that to be like something special. So we're going to put this here. I'm going to go these. Dop. So we're gonna run main. Oh, that isn't working. That's not how it's meant to win. Okay, you know what? I got an idea. I'm gonna pause it until I'm done because it's a secret and you have to actually do it to get it. Alright, done. So now let's see the game so far so you can play one level. I'm not gonna show you the secret yet. And of course, you're not seeing that though.